Well, hey folks, how's it all going? Oh man, it's been a time since it's been a while since we did a tool review. And folks, today we're going to do a review of the WEN 3-speed remote control air filtration system. And let's start with what this thing cost and what we got here. $169 or 167. What a great price the thing was. 3-speed remote controlled. It actually has, you can set a timer, a 1 hour timer. So if you're down here working, you go back upstairs, let it run for an hour, turn off by itself. This is the smaller of the three that they offer. There's two sizes that are bigger than this, but for what I do down here in the shop, and made some changes here in the shop. I actually picked up, folks, I'm gonna show you this rigid drill press that I picked up off of Facebook Marketplace for 150 bucks. And it had a lot of surface rust, and I spent the whole weekend cleaning this thing up, repainting the base, put some wheels on the back so I can roll it around, and raised the base. But I'll tell you what, this thing is super duper nice. Got the table on there, just a real good deal, folks, off of Facebook Marketplace. But this thing, I couldn't find anything on Facebook Marketplace like this, so this one we had to buy brand new, and we're gonna get it out of the box, give you a look-see. All right, that's what it looks like in the box. It's actually got a handle on it, so you can move it around. Maybe it's meant to be a little bit portable, but let's get it out of the box, take a look-see. All right, got a box within the box, and I got all sorts of chain. You've got some hooks here, which I think go in the place of that. With the sort of nuts, you got your remote control, you got some batteries. See, this is kind of what they're saying there for hanging it. That's air intake, I believe, right there, or outtake. I'm not sure. I think that's where the air comes out. And there you've got fuse, and you've got your 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour on and off button, touchpad. And there's your filter side. I'll tell you, I would open that up and take a closer look at it. All right, there's your filters. I already did purchase when I purchased this. Nice thing about Amazon, always gives you the opportunity to buy the replacements. So I got a replacement. This is just like a furnace filter right here. I believe this is a 1 micron. Yep, filter, and no, this is the 5 micron pre-filter, and then this pleated bag on the inside. That is your that's your other filter, and then you've got a thing in there, and there's where your cage is with the motor, and that's what pulls everything through. Someone's going to ask. This is pretty good construction here. I had one of these before. It was a rigid, and you're going to make sure you get the airflow going the right way, and that just goes like that, and then like that. Super simple. Let's see what other specs are there on this. There's 3 speeds on this thing. It's got 300, 350, and 400 cubic feet per minute. Programmable timer, remote control user. Power you're going to turn off to 26 feet away, really. 26 feet, not 25, but 26. So I'll tell you what, let's hang it. I mean, and then turn it on, because I'm dying to hear how quiet it is. All right, I can't wait to hang it up. Let's see what it's like down here. Here's your operating panel. I just plugged it in, put the batteries in the remote. Let's see what happens when I press on. Oh, look at that, works. Okay, that's low. Medium. High. That's pretty quiet, holy smokes. So I gotta figure out how to do the timer and all that, but hit the off button. It's a nice little feature of having this remote control. Just gotta remember not to lose it. But now let's hang it. All right, so you just take this one out. It's already pre-threaded. Take, this is what the chain is gonna hang from. And we're just going to spin a nut on there. And then the elbow's always in the way. And just thread that like that. Take a tape measure and measure that you got the same on each and every one, and then just snug this down and you're good to go. All right, so besides hanging it, this is really the only assembly that you need. I tell you what, they just think of everything. They give you hooks and everything, and they give you a chain that's got it's got a hook on the end. I mean, really nice stuff. I'm not going to use any of the chain. In fact, I'm going to install it right in between. in between the hooks is 14 inches, and I have 14 inches in between my studs. So I'm going to be putting some really heavy duty screws in, and I'm just going to hang it. And it hangs down 11 inches. We'll put it, it won't go all the way down to the bottom of the I-beam, but I'm going to put it over in that area right there, and it's a good area to collect dust and that. So let's get it hanging. All right, folks, I'm just using some 2.5 inch legs that I'll shoot in with the Milwaukee. Let's get them in and let's get this thing hanging. All right, well, there it is all installed. Let's see if I can hold this one-handed and turn it on. It's a little high. Now I'm getting a little vibration there in the studs. I'm gonna have to check and see if that's a problem. If that is a problem upstairs, then I'll run and put them screws up toward the top of the beam and run the chain. But if you're curious how the timer works, it's real simple. You press the button, the yellow button that says timer, and hang on, I gotta press it the right way. There you go. So that's 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, and off. So pretty cool. And so I don't lose this, I put some Velcro on the bottom, and then we're just gonna hang it up right there. So for 170 bucks, folks, you know, what a deal. And you know, I just, these Wen products keep on impressing me. So Tom Horseman at YouTube, hope you enjoyed this. Thumbs up, leave a comment, and as always, folks, thanks for watching.